to the Handbag Heaven. Today I am back with an update on my Louis Vuitton OnTheGo Tote. After 4 years, my OnTheGo Tote started showing signs of wear and tear. So I did a previous video revealing all of the issues in detail. Check out that video. I also went through the process of requesting Louis Vuitton's repair services online. I was hoping that LV could work their magic on my bag and bring it back to life because it was looking pretty bad. So around March the 8th is when I submitted my service request online. Then around March the 13th, I got an email from LV Repair Services stating that I needed to send them the bag for further assessment. So I guess from the pictures that I sent them, they needed to see it in person rather than just the pictures. So they sent me a label and I was able to just ship the bag to them. Around April the 12th, I received an email from the repair services and they stated in the email that it was in my best interest to exchange the bag rather than have it repaired. The email also stated that they would apply my item's full value towards another Louis Vuitton item of equal or greater value. And of course, if it's greater value, I would just pay the difference. Now, initially, I was a little disappointed because I'm the type of person I like to have things, repaired. If you've watched any of my videos, I love the handbag restoration process and I would rather go that route if possible. They're the experts, so unfortunately it doesn't seem that that is the best route. So, I had to get over it and I'm kind of happy with the solution because I am a little excited to be able to look for something different. So why don't you guys come along shopping with me online and help me figure out which bag I should get. So basically, my requirements for the new bag is just that it is lightweight. Now I can downsize a little, I don't need as big of size as a GM, but I do need a good size bag because like I said, it's for travel. So those are basically my only requirements for the replacement of that bag. Looking at my requirements, I went through and I basically have about 5 different options. The first option is status quo, of course. So I could stick with just, exchanging for the same exact bag. But the issue with that is if you go back to my previous video and see the condition of the previous bag, then, I'm a little concerned that I will end up back here in the same position again, over time because I haven't heard anything about LV changing the design of the bag. So that's my only concern about getting another identical bag. Option 2 is going to be I could exchange it for the denim version, the OnTheGo Tote in the denim. I feel like the denim may hold up a little better in terms of the shape. I don't know. Maybe the denim could hold up a little better than the canvas. I don't know. I know the denim could get wear on it and that can't be repaired either. So there's that concern. Number 2, okay, it could be denim. I don't know. We'll see. Well, you tell me, basically. You tell me what you think about it. Maybe someone already owns that tote and you can tell me kind of how it holds up. Number 3 is going to be a leather version, but not the GM size. Like I had the GM size canvas, but I'm saying if I go leather, it will most likely have to be the MM size. And I'm just thinking in terms of the MM size being a little lighter, and I'm talking lighter with nothing in it, than the GM size. Like the bigger the bag, it's just heavy. The leather bags are heavy without anything in them. And then, of course, when I start adding my stuff to it. So I have room to downsize. I can get all my stuff in the MM. I'm sure I can. So that's an option. And I think the MM, maybe the structure will hold up a little bit better. Although I've seen some of the leather versions, and check out my video. I talk about that, the leather versions of the On-The-Go Tote too. I've seen a couple out on the pre-love market. Option number 4 is the new Voyage bag. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the Voyage bag, I thought to myself, you know, if I didn't already have the On-The-Go Tote, I would have wanted the Voyage. But I started to wonder if the Voyage would end up with the same issues that I have with the regular On-The-Go Tote, because they're pretty similar. However, when I saw, like when more pictures were released of the bag, I saw that it has a zipper on the interior, like a zipper compartment. And I'm thinking that maybe that could help to keep the structure of the bag. But I don't know, I've never seen this bag in person, so I'm just looking at the pictures. Number 5 is the LV backpack. But honestly, when I was adding this to the list, I was like already like ruling this one out. The main reason is because of the size. It's pretty small. It's like almost like one of those little mini backpacks. And I already have a mini backpack that I really love, so I didn't really want to get another one. So I don't think I can downsize to this small in terms of a travel bag. So I don't think the backpack will work for me as a replacement for the On-The-Go Tote. Number 5, let's just say number 5B is a wild card, okay? So let's just say I forget about trying to replace the On-The-Go Tote as, a travel bag, and say, you know what, let me just use another bag in my collection, like my Hermes Her bag, in which I just did a video on. Check out that video, by the way. Like, I could use that for travel. Now, this size does not, of course, equate to the On-The-Go Tote, but I do have a larger one that is close enough to the size. It's not as wide, but it's tall. So this could very much replace, I can use it when I'm traveling for some of the same things I store in my On-The-Go Tote versus replacing it with another On-The-Go Tote. And if I do that, I could just use that credit for a bag of, equal or greater value from LV. It doesn't have to be a travel bag. So that's another option. That's like, I call this 5B. And here are some of those bags that I have been taking a look at to, see if this could be something I could add to the collection instead. So the top bag on the list, that I have been considering is the East West Pochette Matisse. Now, I had ruled this out when I was putting together my buy list, but now that the circumstances have changed and I have this credit, it could potentially be back on the list. I also was looking at some of the denim bags as well. I do like the croissant bag, but I mainly just like it because of that little mini bag. So that's really a frivolous reason to get that bag. I don't know. And then, the other 2 bags, they are ones that I like. But honestly, I don't think LV, for this price range, I haven't been really interested in, really purchasing some of the latest LV releases, because as I compare them to my current collection, I don't see where they fit any of the gaps that I have. Most of the bags that I have on my buy list this year, and check out my video on my buy list. But most of the bags that's on my buy list, none of them are LV. I did have a LV like wallet pouch that I wanted to get, but I even kind of decided against that. So I don't know about option 5B either, but let me know what you guys think about it. So those are my top 5 options that I'm trying to decide which one I should, go with in terms of replacing this bag or maybe not replacing it and just getting something totally different. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with my OnTheGo Tote and the repair services. I will be doing a third video to let you guys know what I decide, and most likely I will be unboxing the item that I decided to purchase. So make sure you click that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the new video. Let's talk in the comments. Let me know what option you think I should go with. Also, let me know if you have any of these bags that I do mention, as one of the options. And let me know like what your experience is with it. If you've done a review, let me know what your channel is so I can, first of all, subscribe and watch your video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out my channel where I have videos on luxury handbags. Also, follow me on Instagram where I post reels on luxury handbags and fashion. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.